Next, let's talk about the static import. The use of import followed by a static allows you to import static members of a class. Those static members then can be referred to directly by their names without having to qualify them with the name of their class. For example, to use the math function sqrt in the form of sqrt instead of math.sqrt, add one of the import statements. So we either say import static math.square sqrt, or we can say import static math.asterisk, which will import every static method. So here is an example that uses the static math function. So we have a math.square and then math.pow, short for power. So we can just go ahead and run this and it will work. To compile and run, it works perfectly. But however, if you want to make sure, if you want to not use the full qualifier and then keep it short as just square root or just power, what we can do is we can say import static and java.length. Remember we said that the java.length is automatically imported. Also math is under the java.length package. So we can have two options. We can say dot sqrt. So we can also just copy this and paste again and then use the power. So in this case, now we don't need to use the qualifiers anymore. We can only just say square root and power functions and use them directly. So let's test this again to compile and to run. And again, it worked the same way. And then remember, we have other option that we can say this squared asterisk will be enough to import all of the static math functions. So we don't need to import them one by one. So here we go. And again, it works just as expected.